In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up web scraping alerts with Browse AI and give you a quick rundown of what this powerful tool can do. If you've been looking to get real-time notifications on important changes from websites, you're in the right place. Whether it's for e-commerce, monitoring competitors, or just keeping tabs on any site, setting up these alerts will save you hours of manual checking. First things first, if you're new to Browse AI, it's an easy-to-use tool that automates web scraping and lets you set up customized alerts whenever changes are detected on any website. This could include price drops, new product releases, or updates to key data you track. You can actually use it for free through the link below, and I've got an exclusive bonus for you if you sign up through that link, so stay tuned. Now let's dive into how to set up web scraping alerts with Browse AI. Once you sign up and log in, the first thing you'll do is create a new robot. Think of robots as automated web scrapers. These robots will go to your selected website and extract the data you care about. After creating your robot, Browse AI gives you a few options. You can either use pre-made templates or create a custom robot for your needs. Let's go over a custom robot setup. You'll be able to set it up using a visual interface, so you don't need any coding skills. The software lets you select specific data points like text, images, or prices that you want to track. Once you've selected what data to scrape, you can then create your alert. You can choose how often Browse AI checks the website for changes, whether it's hourly, daily, or weekly, and you'll get a notification the moment a change happens. This is ideal for tracking competitors or any other site that gets updated regularly. Here's the best part. Browse AI lets you set up alerts for a variety of events. For example, if the price of a product changes, or if there's a new blog post, you'll know right away. You can set alerts for new listings, availability updates, or even if a specific keyword appears on a page. This feature saves you time and helps you react faster in any market situation. Additionally, Browse AI gives you flexibility with your alerts. You can choose to get notified by email, SMS, or even push notifications. The system is very customizable, and depending on your plan, you can have multiple robots running simultaneously, scraping various sites at the same time. This is huge for anyone who needs to monitor multiple sources and respond quickly. Now, you may be wondering, is this tool beginner-friendly? Absolutely. One of the best things about Browse AI is how intuitive it is. You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. Setting up web scraping alerts is simple and quick, and the platform walks you through everything step by step. At this point, you may be thinking, this could be a great tool to help automate your workflows. If you've ever wanted to save time and improve your monitoring of key data, this is a game changer. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try Browse AI completely free through the first link below. And, because you're watching this video, I've arranged an extended free trial with even more features unlocked. This way, you can get a real feel for how it works and see the value it brings without any commitment. To summarize, Browse AI is an amazing tool for setting up web scraping alerts, saving time, and keeping track of important data from websites. Whether you need it for business or personal use, the ease of setting up these alerts and tracking updates makes it indispensable. Don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive offer and free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.